Digital helps you make cross-border payments. Human gives you global specialists. Digital allows you to apply for a loan anytime, anywhere. Human connects you to credit experts. Digital puts you in control of your money, while Human connects you to wealth advisors. Digital allows you to freeze, unfreeze, cancel, and reorder your card. Human gives you that personal touch. Digital when you want it. Human when you need it. Get the complete private banking experience with Nedbank Private Clients.
Back, you're still watching Nedbank Business Watch. Thank you for staying with us. As mentioned earlier, Guti will be throwing it back today to the first interview of the first episode of Nedbank Business Watch. During the first week of February, we were joined by Mcebo Masugu, who is a property specialist at Nedbank. He was talking about property insurance. We're playing this clip again, Fisa, because a lot of clients have been inquiring, calling in, asking more questions about property insurance. So we decided to play it back. Yeah,
it does make sense if you look at the other products that they then came into, discuss with us and engage in conversation with us about. You do get, assistance with regards to those other products and services, and that really makes like a perfect synergy, and you really get to access this property, product that they have, and it's really helpful to you. It makes sense. It makes sense.
So during the segment, we talked about what is property insurance and what does it actually cover. I also answered questions such as what is an insurance excess and how does one make a claim and how long does it take for it to be processed. So let's take a look. To Business Watch. Thank you for joining us. Namhlasibuka property insurance, as mentioned. What is insurance and what is a property insurance as well?
Yes. Thank you, Lulu, for having us. Afternoon to the viewers. I think let's start with defining what's insurance. Insurance, in a very simple term, it's a financial instrument that acts as a safety net. Should a business or an individual suffer losses, it is there to help out in terms of cutting those costs in repairing, whether it's a house, if we property insurance like we're talking to today, if we motor, it's there to assist you should you be in an accident. Excuse me.
All right, so I have suffered a loss. Perhaps there was a storm or there was an accident. Does Nedbank cover that? Does my insurance, property insurance, cover that?
Yes, Nedbank offer insurance to my clients too. Whether you loan corner namagude, as long as you have that property, we're able to assist you. So property insurance, cover fire. Should it happen, due to whatever the reason is, which would be always investigated. But cover type of damages, including more hailstorm, as you can see these days, whether you to say ashinja. That is also included. Pesting pipes, they're also included in there. The accidental damages, should you have someone who's at Jubejani, that is also covered by property insurance.
But there's a process again, nothing for a claim, and I've heard some people complain. Go now, go claim for now, lodge a complaint, and now lodge a claim. When a process lands, sometimes we say, why does it take so long? Take us through the process, and after you lodge that claim.
Yes. Okay. First things first. If now go Celian in Japepuk, I always say take pictures, because my pictures will allow a lawyer insurer wako kutashashabone ukuthi okay na ile damage. Ungemi kuze konakala even more or uzulungise. And then contact your insurer as soon as possible. Atosheshe athi ukuthi okay kune-claim vele letawukuda. And then also that insurer or your broker or an agent nathi nje silibhange uyasitsinza sikuside kugcwalisa amafomu kukusita ukuthi yini kukuchazela ukuthi yini ledzingekako nani nani, but normally the pictures, also completing the forms on time. And then also in terms of lokulungisa lendlu, make sure mawune quotations adzingeka ufake material yakho ne-labor yakho. Uma ngabe nje khona lo muntu lotakulungisela kufuneka kwendele leyo quotation akubhalele phasi ke those type of invoices or whatever if it's labor. Yes, and then in terms of the process itself, my claims it differs again depending on the timing. Uma ngabe nje kwendeke sehlakalo like boma hailstorm or wind or those type of storms that just happened recently, kubuda banale influx. So siyacela nje ukuthi nisibeketelele when times like that happen, but normally
influx now nje.
Nyalo nje definitely there is an influx. Luckily vele bakhona abantu abakhavekile, so batawusidakala. But ngicela nje ukuthi sikwende as early as possible ukusi-notify. Asifuni ukukhanza ukuthi sosemuve layinini because kudinga ukuthi ube nebantu labatawu-appointa insurer ukuthi bayobuka le damage so that ito adjustwa kahle leyo quotation if need be. Ngoba phela kufuneka kubuka ukuthi okay le damage isafakishe kuphi yendeke kuphi and is it part of the policy, which is normal procedure noma ngaya kuphi, because kufuneka si-avoid ama-fraudulent claims. Phela ungatendela nawe ema-damages ukuthi ufuna kudla umshwalense, which kulicala lelikhulu lelo, they can take it up against you. So ngicela siku-avoid lokho. But ultimately, the appointable assessor who come and take a look at the damages, babuke nalama quotations and talk to the abantu lo tabe bakulungisela to make sure ukuthi vele kulungiswa kahle kude overstate ema prices akhe.
Okay, so speaking of fraud, have you had cases, such cases nje ukuthi mhlambe senende investigations natfola ukuthi no lo mflona vela kalinyalela ugangile noma kusete kwanyalo?
Yes, kwanyalo kusete, but I wouldn't say ukuthi they don't happen in the market. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but isixwayiso nje sami ukuthi please make sure ukuthi i-claim yakho ma uyifaka because there's a legitimate damage, but we will always look at le kuti vele is it part of the policy or not, but talk to lo muntu lokusitile.
Okay, so how long do they have to lodge a claim from the time of the incident?
Yes, different insurers have different days, but labanye benda 14 days, so within 14 days of the incident. Labanye benda about 30 days, kitike gubang 14 days in Nedbank. So just make sure you come to us as soon as possible. Just
so,
even
okay.
A mere just notification to say I have a claim.
Yeah. So how much does it cost? Kahle kahle ngifuna cover mhlawumbe indlu yami, ngifuna cover imoto yami. Kungibita malini nje, how much do I pay per month?
Yes, it varies. It depends on multiple factors. But the biggest thing when it comes to property finance, gubang level yalendlu. So kumathathu tidland nje tindlu latakhiwe lapho, but awuthi evaluation. Valuation will come with an insurance value. The insurance value would represent how much it would cost for you should you lose the entire building or property, because it will bring back to where you were. So that's the value that is then used as an insurance value. And then bese bayibala from that. So obviously if value accurate you pay higher premiums. If it's a pass, you pay lower ones. But generally, property insurance is way cheaper than car insurance. So may I advise, especially looking at the weather patterns, would be everyone should have a property insurance, especially if you have built yourself a nice, beautiful house. You will need that help should something big happen.
Okay, so do people that own homes on Swazi Nation land benefit from the property insurance ka Nedbank?
Yes, luckily, product ekanjalo ikhona. As a corporate agent, siyakhona kusita ama clients ukuthi akhaveke le makhaya. Gona ke makhaya, the only thing we need is an evaluation report. You just need to take pictures of the property, including market, the fences, the structure itself, the building. And then also usitshele ukuthi wena officer we-cover ngamalini. So uyayinominate le value yakho. The value that you nominate will act as a limit. So meaning if sekutaba nemlilo and just like destroy the whole building, the structure of the building, it will limit ngile nominated value yakho.
Yes. Ngifakile insurance ngicalele kubhadala perhaps ngizongibhadala about 3-4 months. Sekwendeka mhlambe ingodi umlilo noma storm.
Yes.
Can I still claim?
Oh, definitely. In fact, as soon as your policy is confirmed and you've made that payment in terms of your premiums, you can claim anytime, as long as your incident is within your policy period, which will be noted on your policy document.
Okay, so what tips do you have or important information that you would like to share with our viewers? The importance of reading policy documents. Before signing, you go through the policy.
Yes, I think that's a very important one. I always say, try to ask as many questions as possible. You find that at times you're insurance or they're doing insurance for a loan reason or whatever. So no loans of insurance, and they don't ask the critical questions, and you can't say good to say insurance, but they don't understand it. So ask as many questions as you can, and always read your policy document. It happens so many times because my clients want to get my documents, bang our phones, and then come claim stage, saying can you suspend the cars because highlight. I'll highlight you. It's okay now. But ultimately, the terms and conditions are in your policy document. You need to go through it and understand it.
All right. Yes. Clients isitakala kanjani if bafuna kutagini, to sign up tfolakala kuphi, what are your contact details?
Yes, Nedbank inema branch lamanengi Eswatini. Mina I'm based Lambabane head office, but I do visit my branch in there too. But we do have a master's consultant in my branch in there too. Talk to them; they will assist you in terms of getting your quotations done, having a look at what you can cover yourself. And also, you can always email us at our helpdesk helpdesk@nedbank.co.z or ushayele 2378 1999. Ultimately, of course, you can on Facebook, or Twitter, and LinkedIn. Just search for Nedbank Eswatini, hit subscribe or follow, and always interact with us. We appreciate my engagement from clients.
Yeah. And of course, all right, there you have it. Hopefully your questions have been answered. That was Mcebo, who is a property insurance specialist at Nedbank Eswatini. But if you still have more questions, do contact them via social media or visit their branches countrywide.
I think if my questions my questions were good see le mali sebatayitfola nini noma le leyo insurance leyo baskhaslesi ngakanani kufuna bafike nini, which Mcebo has just told them ukuthi social media batfolakala kuphi na kuphi. But I think lokumqoka kakhulu lokuthokotisako ukuthi kude umvlo ongafuni kuba ne peace of mind nje kwathi ukuthi I have financial protection first and foremost, I have peace of mind. No, the value of my property, that kind of investment protection is quite key. Yeah, because just like he said, anything could happen. Theft, gungasha, gungendeka anything to your property. But that peace of mind, should that happen, Nedbank has my back.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, do contact them. Number of Vakashele branch abo countrywide. Let's go for an 8 breaks. Tabuya na Nelsiwe to discuss stories of agriculture.
Transact with Nedbank and stand a chance to win a 5,000 Emalangeni trolley dash. To qualify, do any of the following. Tap or swipe your Nedbank card for purchases a minimum number of 10 times in 2 weeks. Or send cash to any local cell phone number a minimum number of 5 times in 2 weeks. Or withdraw cash using Nedbank cashback at till at any OK Foods outlet a minimum number of 5 times in 2 weeks. It could be you, so start today. For more information, please visit nedbank.co.z, call or send us an email. See money differently. Nedbank.